Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best VPS Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When trading Forex, traders expect their trades to be executed in the smallest amount of time possible, and this is not always possible due to numerous factors. Virtual private server hosting has become quite popular, especially since automated trading has emerged and increased. VPS is used to keep a trader's platform remote and on its own dedicated remote server. Trades are then executed through this server. Numerous brokers offer virtual private servers, but traders should note that while brokers offer free VPS access, there may still be a fee involved with utilizing the service. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best VPS Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reputable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best VPS Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. At number 4 on our list is Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD brokerage, which is fully regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN, no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and ActivTrades accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Axie. Axie, formerly known as ActivTrades, is an online broker which was founded in 2007. Authorized and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, with its head office located in Australia. Axie specializes in Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, oil and cryptocurrencies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as a browser-based web application and is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Standard, Professional, and Islamic accounts, with lower spreads, no minimum deposits, a free 30-day demo account, access to a variety of tradable market instruments, virtual private servers, and auto chartist, and more. Axie also provides their very own educational center, which delves into beginner's guides to getting started with Forex trading, a collection of free video tutorials, free ebooks, a trading blog, and more for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional education with Axie. At number 2 on our list is ActivTrades. ActivTrades is a reputable, award-winning broker that offers trading in more than 500 financial instruments. Based in the UK and established in 2001, ActivTrades caters adequately for its traders through its provision of comprehensive trading solutions, which include low latency, fast execution speeds, and offers traders with competitive trading conditions. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. Their platforms are featured on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, as well as the ActivTrader platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. ActivTrades offers only one type of live trading account. However, this is a flexible, multifunctional account that can be used to access not only MetaTrader 4 and 5, but it can also be used to trade on the proprietary ActivTrades platform. ActivTrades also provides plenty of educational videos and trading manuals, a trading glossary, and you can also request one-on-one trading and join online webinars. They provide platform handbooks to help you get started with the trading platforms, and you can also watch webinars that were previously hosted anytime you like if you are searching for any additional educational content with ActivTrades. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best VPS Forex brokers, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best VPS Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.